To install the Metamask wallet on an Android operating system, you need to go to the Play Market application and type Metamask in the search bar. Then install the application. After installation, click Open and create a new wallet. Agree to the terms. Enter a password, confirm the password, and click Create Password. Next, you need to secure your wallet. Click Start, and then Continue. It is essential to save the seed phrase in your notes or take a screenshot because without it, you will not be able to access your wallet. Confirm the secret phrase and click Full Backup. Done. Now, after installation, you need to add the BNB network to your wallet. To do this, click Add Network, then click Add, and then Approve. To add the BUSD token, you will need the bscscan.com website, which you can open in the browser of the application. Type BUSD in the search bar and select the Binance token. Then copy the smart contract address, go back to the Metamask wallet, click Import Tokens, paste the address in the token contract address field, and click Add Custom Token and Import Tokens. Done. Check out our other educational videos and best of luck.